want to show you how to use Adam's new domain hunter. This is by invitation only, so if you signed up for an invite, hopefully you will get one soon. Here's the general idea. You get credits that you can use for each hunt, as they call them, or each search. And you can choose from what types of domain inventory you want to check, available domains, other available domains that were recently dropped. You got some GoDaddy, Dynadot auctions, as well as Adam Wholesale here. And then you can choose between industry and keyword searches or abstract and short names. So let's start with one. We're going to do available domains. We'll just do industry keywords. And then the next thing it says is to pick your industry. So we're just going to do one of their suggested ones here, AI here. You can type whatever you want in here. You don't have to use one of these quick picks. Then you want to type in some keywords here. You can put in any keyword you want, or you can go with some of their suggested keywords that have a high sell-through rate. So I'm going to choose pulse. Let's just choose rove, loop, code, beam, and then you're allowed up to 6. So you see their warning if you try to go over 6. And then you run a search. And so it's going to go through fairly quickly. It's basically spinning a bunch of names using all of its data behind the scenes to come up with domains that are available for registration. In this case, because I did the available domain names. All right, so now they have ranked the results and given you the results. All of these are available to register. That's why, of course, these aren't the world's best domain names, but the nice thing here is that they do a brand strength on it. As you see here going through, it goes from top to bottom here of names that include keywords and the general area that you're interested in. You can also register it through Adam's registrar, and when you do that, you get more credits to do more hunts. So this is neat, but I want to show you what's a little bit cooler in my opinion, and that is if you do one of the auction options here. So let's go with GoDaddy closeouts and do a very similar search. So we'll do AI and Pulse, Nova, Loop, Code, Beam. Let's see, I have one more shift. And then I'm going to start the hunt again. And now it's just searching GoDaddy closeouts. So this will take a minute as well. All right, so you'll see here there's a lot more data on the closeouts because they're able to run appraisals on them. It's a smaller subset that they're searching from. Each one has an Adam domain score as well as an appraisal. These are, of course, the automated appraisal. You might not agree. I don't particularly the pulsarus.com. But if you want to go in and get more details as well, you can click this Adam Appraisal button, and it runs up an appraisal right away. So you can go through, see things like how many extensions it's registered in, different use cases, possible industries, etc. Everything that you usually get with the Adam Appraisal is in there. So you get a lot more data here. I will note that for the live appraisals, they're sometimes different from what's cached here. So you notice here, this one's $74.99. And when we click through, it said $89.99. So a little bit of a discrepancy there, but it should be generally correct. Let's try this one, fablebeam.com. Again, not my favorite. This is all machine and AI. You need to attach a judgment to it. But let's look this one up. Okay, so this one does match the estimated value here. And again, you can go through and see all the same things, number of extensions, etc. So that's Domain Hunter. I think it's pretty cool. I just started digging into it. Like any tool, the more you learn to work with it, I think the better results you will get. Hope this video is helpful. Go check that out at adam.com. And of course, for more videos, watch our YouTube channel or go to domainnamewire.com.